Hello everyone, welcome once again to MIT ADT podcast. In today's episode, we have got Professor Monika Jadhav, who is an assistant professor at MIT College of Management. Welcome, madam. To start with, I would like to ask you about UG programs offered at MIT College of Management.
So basically, for the undergraduate level, we have two programs. One is the BBA and the second one is BCA. So for BBA, we are providing 9 specializations, and for BCA, we are providing 3 specializations. So for BBA, we have BBA Global, we have BBA General, we have BBA in Digital Marketing, we have Finance Technology, Real Estate Management, then we have Business Analytics. Coming to BCA, we provide specializations in Applied Data Science, IoT and Web Technology, and Cloud Computing.
Would you like to throw some light on the curriculum and the activities at MITCOM?
The curriculum of MITCOM is very rich in its syllabus and also the curriculum. And if you go to see the syllabus for MITCOM, it is designed by the Board of Studies. So every semester we have the Board of Studies, which just comes in, and we try to design the syllabus according to the industrial needs and requirements. And now if you go to talk about a teaching approach, it incorporates learning, then it has case studies, it has regular assessments, and we also give real-time projects, that is the industrial projects, which help the students to expose themselves to the real business world.
What measures do you take for placement for students?
Now I just spoke about the syllabus and the curriculum. We provide very good syllabus. Also with that, we provide soft skill development programs, personality development programs. We are providing the certifications, the Coursera certifications. We are also providing the LinkedIn Access certifications. We are also providing seminars, workshops for the students, so which mold them for the corporate world.
How do you improve the quality of the students?
I'll be very honest. Marks do not define what a student is. That is just an eligibility criteria. But when it comes to management, okay? So management is nothing but it's about the personality of a person, okay? Of an individual. So basically, apart from the curriculum, we are also having various programs which we are providing them to nurture themselves in order to be very good personalities, because I think that is what matters. We are also providing technical support to the students. So we are making them sound both technically and also in the personality aspects. So the students are very good. They are also inclined towards learning. And of course, they are very supportive too at the same time.
Absolutely. So thank you very much, Professor Jadhav, for interacting with us. All the very best. Thank you.